Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy crafts using the number digits. So here we will write the digits and join the lines, and we'll be making some interesting animals, birds, or you can say different objects just by writing a digit. So first we are making an aeroplane. Join the lines like this, make its wings, you can make its eyes and mouth, color it as per your choice, and your airplane is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, write the digits 3 and 4 together like this. After that, join the lines as shown in the video. Draw the lines inside it to give it a touch. Here we are making a bird. Draw its beaks, eyes. Now we will draw its legs. Color it if you want, and it's ready. Next, by drawing these circles, we will be making a cute elephant. Draw the 6 circles and then join them one by one in the same manner as we are joining. Draw its eyes first, then we will make a circle around it. Draw its ears. Now, touch up its body, join the lines to make its legs. Fix it as shown in the video. Color it if you want, and it's ready. Next, write 2, 6 and 1, 2 and 1. Now join the lines to make a cute puppy. Draw its eyes, tongue. Now complete its legs. Draw cute tail, and your dog will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, write a digit 3 in the 3 shapes. Now join them like this. After drawing its eyes, nose, we will get to know that we are making a monkey. Join the lines, draw its big tail on the back. Color it if you want, and it's ready. Next, we will write a 3, then a big 3 and one more big 3. Now join them like this. So here we are making a bird. Make its beak and wings. Now you can color it if you want, and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.